Not long ago, this well lay hidden beneath a heavy concrete lid, topped by an old millstone. It was secure, certainly, but also silent. Everyone knew a well was here, yet no one could quite picture it. Then, during some restoration work, the truth emerged. A magnificent stone wellhead, worn by time and use, reappeared in the light. Look closely. The deep ruts carved into its rims speak volumes. They tell of ropes drawn over the edge again and again, wearing down the stone through years, centuries of daily use. These grooves aren't just marks. They are memories in stone, the physical trace of countless hands drawing water. And yet, the story deepens. The well stands right beside the Gaillard house, the grandest peasant home in Collias throughout the early modern era. Was it their private well, generously shared? Or was it a communal source of life, anchored in proximity to power? In the villages of southern France, privilege often came with responsibility, and the boundary between private and public was sometimes blurred. We owe the well's survival to the diligence of Mayor Raymond Aparis, who spared it from destruction and oversaw the creation of the landscape setting you see today, a space that honours its heritage. Now return your gaze to those grooves. They are cut into an ancient limestone known as Ergonian limestone, formed nearly 180 million years ago beneath the shallow seas that once covered this region. Over eons, tectonic forces lifted the seabed, and rain and wind carved the garrigue we know today. Though this limestone is hard, extremely hard, it is also vulnerable to water, and so, each time a wet rope grazed the rim, it left behind a trace of moisture. That moisture, again and again, slowly bit into the stone. Its chemistry, yes, carbonic acid dissolving calcium carbonate, but it's also something more. It is the imprint of labour, the echo of effort, the silent record of village women, for it was they who fetched the water. Their footsteps, their breath, their quiet strength day after day. Their lives are etched into this stone not in words but in wear, a fossilised choreography of care, endurance, and survival.